You see this key right here? It's not the original MDX key. I bought this on Amazon for like $25. Okay. The reason I did that because the original one is broken. These push buttons weren't working. So I had to get a new one. However, lucky for me, I had the original key already cut by the manufacturer that came with the original key. I transferred this original key into this whole thing that I bought from Amazon. And I also programmed the chip inside. By doing that, I saved about $200 to $250. I want to transfer the saving over to you. You don't have to go to the dealer or you don't have to go to any locksmith. This is very DIY. You could transfer it. All you need is a flat screwdriver and you could program the chip. You don't need any fancy device. All you need is this key and a car. Watch to the end. I'm sure you'll benefit. So these are the two keys I bought from Amazon for 25 bucks. They're pretty good. The push button works. So today, as I have mentioned, I'm going to show you how to program it. The programming is easy. You just turn the car to on and make sure you press the lock button. Then you do it again, lock button. Turn it to on again, lock button. And the fourth time now, turn it to on, press the lock button, press the lock button on the other one. Make sure you press the lock button again on the first one. Now you're going to turn the key back into off. Take the key out. Now it's time to test the remote. So press any button you like. See if the car reacts. If the car reacts, the door opens and unlocks with the key. You have successfully programmed the car and your key chip. So look, right here. This is a quick demonstration of whether or not the remote is working. Look, the door is opening and closing, locking and unlocking. This is the original. All right, this is the second part of the video. If you're watching all the way through, thank you for that. This is the key that I came across with. The chip is broken inside. The push button does not work. So only option I have is to get it fixed or repaired. I went to the locksmith. They want $250 for this. So I went on Amazon. I found a replacement chip I need to program. So what I have to do here is remove this metal piece of this key. I'm going to keep the metal piece and I'm going to get rid of everything else, replace it with this new chip that I bought from Amazon. So I wanted to make this video for anyone that is going through similar things, similar issue as I did. I need two keys. Both keys that I got not working, broken. Just imagine I paid $200, $250 for this job that you could do on your own. That's why I'm making this video. So I took this metal piece out and this is the new key that I bought from Amazon. I don't need to get it to cut or anything like that. I'm just going to use the cutout key that I had originally. Only thing I couldn't do is open and close the doors and press the panic button when I was outside the vehicle. So that's going to change today. I have programmed the chips before, as you saw on this video. And now I'm just swapping out the blade, the metal piece of the key, which is very simple. You just need two Phillips head screwdriver, small or medium size, whichever works. There's only 3 screws. You take the screws out, be careful of the spring, don't break it. Even if you do, don't worry about it. The new key comes with a spring as well. So just try to record what you're doing. So should in case you forget a step, you could look back and watch what step you missed. If you have good memory, then you probably don't have to record or take pictures. And these steps are very simple. You might have some struggle, but if you're careful, I guarantee you could do it. It's not difficult. It's not painful. It's easy. And most importantly, at the end, when you accomplish this task, it feels great. Not only because you saved a lot of money, also because you got a task accomplished. You did something that you thought you would have to pay someone to do it. Many people on the video talks about taking the car and the new purchase key to a dealer. Some mechanics or locksmith will show you to program it with a big machine, a screen, pod, whatever it is. But this is how it's been done in the past, and you could do it. My Acura MDX is 2012, so I know for sure you could do this for 2012. I believe from 2008 to 2013, Acura MDX, you could do same thing. It doesn't hurt. Amazon has a great return policy. If it doesn't work, you could return it. All right, but please first try to program it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That will help my channel out a lot. Thank you for watching.